Okay, so we're looking at this dead bird. I'll guard it. See that? Ew. I know, right? Oh, sick. Hit by a car and it's still. A thunderclap warrior was told before any other cat would not eat them unless they were completely starving and they were in need.
I think that a car went over that side, and then it got pushed on the ground. Ew, guys, you need to get
Right into his artery. What happened to his face?
eat his brain. Look at there's a snake.
Oh, I can see its brain.
Where's his brain?
Where's his brain? Right there.
His brain.
Ew! Move it away. Oh, I see the skull and inside the brain. Did you see that? Skull.
Ew, look
And
at
then the
that.
brain. See the skull on the brain? Ew, it's totally going on YouTube. What?
No, say the answer.
Oh! Ew! Here, knock out the skull so you can get a better look at it. Here, let me see it. You hold it.
You're so nasty.
What are you doing?
Trying to get the skull out.
Ew! Slimy brain! It's going towards you, Emily.
What?
Right here. Better look at it.
Ew, oh my god, this is so disgusting.
This
Oh,
skull.
the car!
There's a skull. Right here.
Ew.
Let's go on the inside. Ready? Set. Go!
Ew!
Let's push this brain.
Oh! Oh!
Gross! It'll be sick.
White stuff came out of the bird's brain!
What's wrong with its gut? Ew! That's gross. Here. No more messing with dead stuff. That's awesome!
Okay.
No name thing.
Don't say anybody's name.
Alright. Don't tell her about the brain. We're poking it. She'll get mad. Alright, join us next time on Dead Animals with the 3 kids. Bye.